Polly pigeon out in this weather. It's pretty wet. Just looking outside going, no, let's not go out. But then I've got my coat on and I'm gonna get my phone back in my pocket before it gets too wet. Hey guys, hit 10,000. Rain's finally starting to let up. We'll wait and see whether my walk gets another shower or not. Hello Polly. So guys, after 23,000 steps and then sorting out all of the gear for the house for the new baby, I'm pretty zonked. I've done about 25,000 already. Actually 25,300 already. So I'm going to call it a day on the video.